Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to use DeepSeek to create a website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DeepSeek website right here, deepseek.com, if you have not already. And after opening it up, it's going to open up this main page where we can get started. So guys, to use DeepSeek for anything, we are going to need an account. So if you have not already created an account, you can go ahead and click start now right here. This is going to open up a new page where you can register for an account. And if you already have an account, you can just log into your account, and after logging in successful, you'll be greeted by this main page. After clicking start now, you'll open up the chat option right here, and now we can get started with using DeepSeek. So guys, how do we use it for creating a website? Well, you can make it do anything you want to. It's going to help you out with your code. It's going to help you out with WordPress, whatever you want. So there are two ways you can do that. Let's say I want to create a website for selling in WordPress. Help me out. So as you can see, we can ask it this guys, and now it's going to go ahead and give us the steps how we can get started recreating a website in WordPress. Everything we need is right here. It's going to give us all the step 1, step 2, everything we need to do, how we can do it, and so on, how we can create an account, and so on. So basically, as you can see, you can ask it even for code. So let's say I am creating a website in HTML. Give me the code for home page to say hello. So as you can see guys, after asking for this, as you can see, they're now going to give us any code we might ask for. It is going to give us HTML code showing us how to input a home page that's going to say hello. So you can ask DeepSeek anything you want and it's going to give you its answer. But sometimes the server is busy, so you can see it's taking a long time now to answer. So once you ask it, if it doesn't answer immediately, you can start a new chat and ask it again, and it's going to give you the answer, and so on. So keep on trying. So as you can see, here is my answer now. It took a bit time to run it and to think about it, but now is going to give me my code. You can just copy paste it. You can do anything you want. You can ask it whatever you want to change, and so on. So go ahead and check it out for yourself. But yeah guys, basically that's how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.